We have to sing because the Lord has been so good to us. We have to dance because the Lord has been so good to us. We have to have joy because the Lord has been so good. So excuse me if I don't do it like you do it at your church. It's okay, you can do what you want at your church because the Lord has done something for you. But He has done something for me too. And I'm going to praise in the best way I know how. I'm going to worship in the best way I know how. I think the time has come that we don't just cry and nothing changes in our lives. We are not just singing crying songs and we say it's worship and nothing changes in our lives. I've come to declare the Lord has been so good. He has carried me from a mighty long way. So excuse me if I don't do it like you do it in your church. Because the Lord and my journey is personal. It's personal. So when you come out here, you've got to do it for you. Not how you do it at your church. Because the walk with God is between God and man, one person. When Jesus was walking with the disciples, He turns to them. He says, no, wait. Who do people say I am? And they tell Him all sort of things. He says, they say you are Elijah, you are this, you are that, you are just one of the prophets. And He says, no, I hear what people are saying. But who do you say I am? And Peter responded and gave not a church response. He said, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. He says, you are the Christ, the Son of the living God. When David was in the spirit, and this is the passage of the